Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another amazing software for you. This one is called eCom and is from my friend Daniel Adetunji, and this one in a nutshell is a brand new application that gives you the ability to create pre-built eCom stores that's pulling over 2,596 visitors, and this is going to be able to generate to you up to $695 a day if everything is set up well. And this you can do without spending money on ads, without wasting time on testing what works. It doesn't matter the country you're coming from, and you can do this without any product of your own. So no stores, no ads, no designing, no technical skill. This is an amazing product from this great guy Daniel Adetunji, and it's something that is going to revolutionize the eCom industry, because a lot of people think that the eCom industry is going down, but it's actually not going down, because people shop for different things, and this is going to create such a stuff for you which can be populated with things that will definitely help you make money online. It's an amazing product. If you stick with me, I will show you also the very dashboard area of this arrangement, and definitely play the video for this for you, and then also show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you, including the pricing for eCom, and that will be waiting for you in my Warrior Plus account, a lot of them that make a lot of sense to you. So now let us, without further delay, go into the details of this. But before I do any of that, this is to remind you that if you are new to my channel, this is the time you may be able to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And definitely I'll be able to do these reviews just like I do every other day, and bring out products that are going to help you definitely make money online, because that's the intention here. And now let's go into details. At any point you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this amazing sales page where you are going to grab a copy using any of the links like this one. But now let us take a look at the benefits of this. What you have to gain with this very product eCom that builds eCom stores for you with AI automatically and get it populated. The first thing is that it helps you generate proven to work eCom stores with a click, and in proven niches and proven products, and you can drive unlimited traffic and sales to any store you build with this application. And you can replace your designer, programmer, or writer with this very software. You can replace any of those things who are doing this for you in the past, and then no complicated setup. Just get up and running in 2 minutes and stop wasting your money on testing products, because a lot of people lose a lot of money buying stocks to keep, and then eventually such a product may not do well, and you have that as a loss sometimes, and it takes a while to sell them. But this, you don't have to pay anybody any inventories, because it's going to be populated with existing products that are going to actually drive traffic and at the same time make you money. Okay, so it's an amazing one. I've gone through it, and I think it's going to work for anybody. And with this, you can create and sell AI stores for your clients in seconds, and you have 30-day money back guarantee, and definitely no zero upfront cost. So that's about what you have generally to do with this very eCom from Daniel, and I believe it's going to help anyone who is seeking to begin to make money online. And you have just 3 basic steps. Step 1 will be to buy the product and then log into AI powerful dashboard, which is what I showed you before, exactly this, and then you'll be able to start off there. And step 2 will be to deploy, choose any niche, and let eCom give you AI built income store on that very niche. It could be fitness, it could be health, it could be make money online, it could be on products, physical products, whatever. And step 3 will be traffic. Allow eCom to drive thousands of clicks to your store for 100% free. Okay, and then you have the step 4, the profit, which means the price for what you have done with this application will be actually obtainable here. So that's what you have, and you will be able to get all of this, product research, AI fulfillment, AI emails. You have also AI description generator, you have AI optimizer, you have get a built AI store. You have so many things, so many features, AI traffic, AI tracking, AI reports. All these are embedded in this very software, which you are going to have access to when eventually you get a copy for yourself. And you can do so as an early bird, because there are certain discounts you're going to benefit from that. Okay, so it's very, very, very good to consider this, and I will leave the rest of the review of the page to you when you arrive here, so that you see some of the testimonials and the income proofs of what Daniel himself, this is the guy who created this product, what he has been doing with his beta testers with this product in the way of generating income massively online, and that will give you the opportunity to do so yourself today if you get a copy 5 p.m. European time, and that should be 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. So with that said, I will leave this for you now to review at your convenience, but for now let us take a look at the members area, and then I play you the video. This is the dashboard. Open AI settings, design, product, shipping, orders, customers, transactions, reports, AI tools, everything is there. But now, without going into much details with this, let me practically play you the video of this product in action, so that you see exactly how it works and how it's going to work for you. Okay, after that we go to the pricing and then my amazing bonuses. I want to keep this one short. Okay. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today, like I said, I am going to show you now the pricing, and of course after that we'll show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. The upgrade are here, including the front end, but the front end goes for $17, which will give you access to this very dashboard, and you'll be able to see how everything works by setting up exactly. You saw that in the video how it works, and this is exactly how it's going to work for you. And now the OTO number 1 has 3 categories. The light one goes for $97, gold version goes for $197, and downsell for this light one will be $67. So that means you're getting it as an early bird for $67. That's the OTO number 1, which gives you I believe the unlimited capability to this very product. And you have OTO number 2, the downsell goes for $47, and these are the other prices: $97, $67 for gold. And then you have also the OTO number 3, which goes for $47 downsell. You have OTO number 4, which goes for the very $67, and this one is the done for you edition of this product. Everything is set up for you. You just relax and make money. And now you have also the OTO number 5, which goes for downsell of $47. You have OTO number 6 for $57, which I believe the white label resell license. Okay, so that's what you have as pricing. They are quite affordable, and you can always take that decision today to build yourself an e-com store and be able to sell some of the stores you can build with this application to your customers. You know what that means if you have a gig on Fiverr or Upwork or any of the freelancing platforms. So that's basically what you have. Now let me show you the mega bonuses that I have for you, so that you see what you stand to get here. The first one will be the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets that you don't know exist, that are going to actually help you begin to widen your scope on how to make money online. And you have the number 2 as the list building expert, which is how you create your email list, which is how you can make money on demand. You have also internet marketing fast start, how you jumpstart your internet marketing, and you learn concepts with this one. You have affiliate marketing secrets, which excuse me, is an affiliate marketing for you. With this very bonus, you're going to learn secrets in affiliate marketing and start earning money without even lifting a finger. And you have also the access link here. You have the number 5 as the 30-day to bigger email list ebook. And you have also the chatbot marketing mastery, which is another training. You have building the perfect sales funnel. Without sales funnel, it's very difficult to make money on automation. And you have also blogging for profit as number 8. You have email list building blueprint, and also the copywriting crackdown. In this case, you'll be helping yourself to know how you can prompt even the ChatGPT AI and all the rest of the other AI applications there, that you can search anything you want. You can definitely have the idea on how to do it best. And at any time you decide to buy this product, like I said before, that first link below in my description area will bring you to the sales page, where we take a copy using this very link. And with that, we will definitely, I believe, come towards the end of this very review. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I'll be back to you in my next review. Definitely, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, it's goodbye.